If you want to permanently delete your Apple TV Plus account, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID website and sign in using the Apple ID associated with your Apple TV Plus account. This is necessary to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Subscriptions. Once signed in, locate the Subscriptions section. This area allows you to manage your subscriptions, including Apple TV Plus. Step 3. Cancel your Apple TV Plus subscription. Find Apple TV Plus in your list of subscriptions and select it. Choose the option to cancel your subscription. This will stop any future billing but does not delete your account yet. Step 4. Wait for subscription to expire. After cancelling, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. Make sure to wait until this period is over before proceeding to the next step. Step 5. Delete your Apple ID. To permanently delete your Apple TV Plus account, you will need to delete your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID account page, select Data and Privacy, and follow the instructions to delete your account. This action is reversible. Once you've completed these steps, your Apple TV Plus account will be permanently deleted. Remember that this will also affect any other services linked to your Apple ID.